Sabi ng nagmotor. Ooh, wow. Sabi ng nagmotor. Ooh, wow. Para lang. Wow, ano, nakakita ba kayo ng artista? I'm just an ordinary girl with an ordinary vlog with an extraordinary personality. Oh my God, it's drop zone time. It's the scariest ride among all. Oh my God, I'm gonna die after this. Drop zone extreme adventure.
This is your witty Bonita, the funny.
Cowboys in Dahilayan, Cagayan, City, Mindanao. It's a very beautiful ambience here. You can come and join me in my adventure. Yay! Let's go! Another day of adventure today, my. Let's have some adventure. This is my second day here in Dahilayan. Sabi ng nagmotor. Ooh, wow. Sabi ng nagmotor. Ooh, wow. Para lang. Wow, ano, nakakita ba kayo ng artista? I'm just an ordinary girl with an ordinary vlog with an extraordinary personality. Yeah, bro. Mga haters dyan. Nasa paligid, mga haters. My second day adventure. Let's go with me, guys. Stay tuned. Ang mga haters nasa paligid lang. My private jet. Private jet. Balsahan lang po ako. Private jet agad. Bilisan natin kasi may mga people. Let's go! I wanna ride a horse today! Dali ko! Kaya na yung mga people na mga ano. Okay. Here is the forestry. This is my second day of adventure here in Dahilayan Park, Cagayan City, Philippines. Okay, that's the forest. Nature. That's the blue town, Dahilayan Adventure Park. Watch. I will ride a horse today. Okay, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Tama na muna. May maraming haters. I'm about to ride this ride. Razorback. Oh my God, I'm so scared, guys. Watch out. I'm gonna pass out this. Wait and see. I'm gonna collapse.
Oh, no.
I will ride that one now. Oh my God, I'm so scared. I cannot video when I ride a ride because I think it's very fast. Guys, I cannot video myself when I ride that. The stuff getting ready. The stuff getting ready. I'm so scared. It's very, very far. I'm gonna ride it. Oh, I'm already number 5.
Roller coaster mo na eh.
Number 5 for me. Bye. Shout out to number 5.
Hindi na magkaan.
Oh, watch out, guys. I'm scared. Number 5 is for Oh my God. I'm here.
Uy, yung cellphone ba? Isod na sa bag.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared, guys. I hope I'm still alive. Bye.
Ang mo na lang magbuday.
I pray for my safety. I will ride a python now. Yay. Watch out. I'm so scared now. I don't want to video my ride because it's very scary. Look at that. I can video my ride. Python rides in Dahilayan. Oh my God! It's drop zone time. It's the scariest ride among all. Oh my God! I don't video my rides because I cannot hold the camera while I'm riding. Oh, drop zone, baby! It's very scary. Let's go. Let's have some adventure with me in Dahilayan. Ang lamig, ang sarap ng hangin. Drop zone.
And you can follow.
You, baby.
So follow my page, mga chismosa and see you on my next vlog. At
Natalo ako sa iyang intro.
After chismoso and
That's the drop zone area. Look at that. It's very high. I don't know if you can view the drop zone. Oh my God, that's so scary. I'm so scared, guys. Yo, Baba. Let's have some extreme adventure. Okay. Adventure with
So,
me.
good afternoon, sir. So, ay, sasakay ka rin nun.
Ugas ang kanyang personality. Natalo ako. Drop zone, guys.
Guys,
Drop zone. It's very, very scary.
andyan po siya. Ano tawag nito? Sa Bacano, ayan.
Drop zone, drop zone. Tirali. Wala na. Drop zone, guys. It's very scary. Oh my God. I'm so scared. I don't know if I can do it. I'm gonna pass out. Drop zone. Let's have some extreme adventure. So adventurous me, witty, bonita. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my God. Can you see them? Oh my God. I don't know if I can do it. That's very scary. Oh my God, it's very scary. Oh my God. I don't know if I can do it. I'm gonna die after this. Drop zone. Oh my God, it's so scary. I can't video all my rides because I'm not holding my phone when I'm riding.
Yeah, pagsaka yung tatlo kayo tumuy kahit siya.
Grabe.
Pero pag
So scary.
ilan pa.
Look at all the trees, guys. They are so beautiful. Forest.
Yeah. Tingin ka hoya bagay. Dito Isog kaya dugo kayo.
Summer breeze came from the sea. Nighttime dances color.
All about Dahilayan.
Morning
Let's walk in the stairs, guys. Oh my God, look at that forest. They're so
Oh,
beautiful.
it was my fault.
This is all about Dahilayan adventure. They have a lot of trees. So beautiful,
He
right?
believes in
Oh
all
my God.
gold, while I believe in you. I don't mind if you don't love me. I don't mind at all. I don't mind if you don't love me anymore. Will you answer if I ask? Do you really wanna go? Your whole is far